In my daily clinical practice, here are some top 6 commonly asked questions by pregnant women pertaining to COVID vaccines. In this pandemic nowadays, the most frequently asked question by any lady in OPD is, can a woman be administered by COVID vaccination during the menstrual cycle, or which day of the period is safe for vaccination? Answer to this is, women should receive vaccination on any day of the menstrual cycle. If you are suffering for severe dysmenorrhea, then just avoid those days and get recovered, and you can take the vaccination. There is no physiological, immunological or endocrinological basis for such a consideration. So if you want to know answers for such queries for yourself or any of your family members, then this video is for you. So stay till the end. Hi, I am Dr. Vinay. I am a gynecologist, a digital healthpreneur and a pregnancy coach. I am on a mission to help 1 million working pregnant women achieve celebrations in their pregnancy journey. So let's understand about the top 6 commonly asked questions by pregnant women pertaining to COVID vaccines. One of the most commonly asked questions by the couples who are planning for pregnancy is, can they be vaccinated before planning a pregnancy? Answer to this is, a woman can take vaccination any time before the pregnancy is confirmed. Next important question is by the couples who are undergoing fertility treatment or undergoing assisted reproduction. They want to know whether they can be vaccinated during the fertility treatment. There is no basis for deferring pregnancy or fertility treatment for taking vaccines. There is no evidence that vaccine administration affects fertility rates or miscarriage. Is pregnancy testing necessary before administration of vaccine? No, it is not necessary. It is not recommended to do pregnancy test before vaccination. Suppose if a woman is pregnant in her early pregnancy and she has been received the vaccination unknowingly, so what will be the consequences on the pregnancy? The vaccine does not have any teratogenic effects as per available evidences. Women who have been administered vaccines in such a condition should not be advised for termination of pregnancy. In fact, they should be counseled that there is no increased risk of congenital anomalies because of the vaccination. Should vaccine be given to a pregnant lady who has been already infected in the past? A pregnant woman faces increased risk in pregnancy if she is infected with COVID-19 as compared to a pregnant woman who is not infected. Therefore, vaccination is advisable if there has been a past infection. Vaccination should be taken 12 weeks from the infection or 4 to 8 weeks after recovery. Number 6 is most important, and that is, can a pregnant lady with the comorbidities, either the pre-existing or developed during the pregnancy, can be vaccinated? any comorbidities do not represent as a contraindication to COVID vaccine. In fact, these women will have maximum protective benefits. However, women with such comorbidities should consult their respective obstetricians and follow their advice, as they will be the right person to decide, depending upon the severity of comorbidities, whether they should be immediately vaccinated or postpone the vaccination. Apart from these 6 questions, even the breastfeeding mothers are still worried whether they can be vaccinated with COVID vaccine. There is no evidence of harm if a breastfeeding mother is vaccinated with COVID vaccine. In fact, there is possibility of benefit of passage of antibodies to the neonate. Breastfeeding women should be vaccinated as per the usual method and schedule. If you want to know more about this, then please do watch my previous video regarding this. So if you want to see more such videos on pregnancy related problems, then subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, comment and share with your family and friends, so you never have to go anywhere else again.